Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to relearn your electronic windows open and closing system. If you unplugged your starter battery of your Audi A3 or S3 Sportback, then there can come the problem that the comfort function, the smart comfort function of the closing and opening process of your windows are not initiated again. So let's check this here. The battery was off. Now we switched on the battery again. And if we cannot make a comfort close system, as you can see, I push, and I push, big push, and the comfort function does not work. To reset this, to relearn this process, you have to use the switches for it. The first step is here the window is open. You will close the window completely by pulling the lever, and then if it is closed, we release a little bit, and then we are pulling again, and then it is relearned, and then we perform the same on the other side. You can see it closed it, take a break, now hold it for 2 seconds, job's done. Then it is accomplished. The same way we can perform at the down way, but most of the time it is not necessary, because the relearn process itself is to go close the window, release the button for a second, and then you have to pull again for 1 or 2 seconds. 2 seconds is better, and then the relearn process is accomplished. You can perform the same on the back side and on the passenger side with all windows you have on your car. That's it is to relearn your electronic comfort, smart comfort windows opening and closing system of your Audi A3 or S3 Sportback. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.